Hello, everyone. Welcome. If you're looking for a simple, functional way to manage your tasks in Notion, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through building your very own Notion task manager from scratch. Let's get started. We will start with a new page. Let's name it Task Manager. Next, we'll create our task database. A simple shortcut type /table and select Table Database. Let's name the database Tasks. Next step is to create our database properties. We will start with tags. Click the plus icon and select Multi-Select. Name the property tags, then create options. I'm using work and personal. Use whatever works for you. The next property is status. Create a status property. You can change or add the statuses or leave it as is. Next, create a date property and name it due date. Then create a select property and name this priority. Create options. I'm using high, medium, and low. Use whichever colors you wish. If you are working in a team setup, you'll need an assignee property. Create a person's property and name it assignee. To use this property, you'll need your team members on the page. You now have a functional task manager. Let's make this easier to use by adding different views. Click the plus icon next to Table and select Board. Name the view. Select the properties you want displayed on the board. Create another view. This time, select Calendar. The calendar view is set to show tasks by their due date. The calendar is shown as month. You can change this to week. Toggle the Show Weekend off to show only weekdays. Select the properties you want to appear on the calendar. And there you have it, a simple, customizable task manager in Notion to help you stay focused and productive. Let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on adding reminders, recurring tasks, or syncing with Google Calendar. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tips and productivity hacks. Thanks for watching.